In this lecture, we're going to show how to work with Lofted surface. The Lofted surface creates a surface feature by making a transition between the sketch profiles. Those sketch profiles can be either open or closed. As we see here, so we have here an open profile and here we have a closed. So we can use open and closed. As well, we can use a 3D sketch as we have here, and we can use a point. But remember, you can also connect open profile with open profile. You can't connect open profile with closed profile. So you can connect open with open and closed with closed. So let's show how this works. So we go to surface and here we have lofted surface. So we have a first step here, and here we have to choose our profile. So let's choose this profile here. This is open profile. And let's choose another profile, this one. And let's click OK here. And now we can see the preview of our surface. Like this. If we want, we can add a 3D profile, which is opened. So we can click here on this one. And now we connected a 3D profile with 2D profiles. Let's go here and let's delete this. Right click and clear section. Now let's choose open profile and close profile. And let's click OK. And now as we see, this doesn't work. Or if we want to connect close profile with open profile, this as well doesn't work. So let's delete this open profile and let's choose this close profile. And now as you see, we can connect close profile with closed profile. As well, we can add a point here. So we can click on this point as well. And now we got something like this. As well, we can connect open profile with point. So let's go here, right click, clear selections. Let's choose open profile, and point. This also works. So if we compare a lofted with swept, we can see the difference that with the lofted surface, we have multiple profiles and we have one profile in swept surface. Here, you can change the order of your profiles. So you can choose this profile and you can go move up. And now as you see, this doesn't work because you have this sketch first, this profile, then you have point, and then you have this profile. And this is physically not possible, so this doesn't work. So you can change here the sequence of your profile, but this sequence doesn't work. If we go up with a point as a first profile, now we see that we have this surface. This is the first one, this is the second profile, and the third profile. So here, you can change the order of your profiles. You can go move up and you can go move down. So let's go down to this one. So to remember from this lecture, the lofted surface connects multiple profiles. You can connect open profile with open profile and closed profile with closed profile. As well, you can connect 2D profile with 3D profile and with a point.